Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And actually wanted to show you a new car, just came on the lot today. This is a 2015 Ford Escape. It's all-wheel drive, so it's going to be fantastic in wintertime. Now this is the titanium model, which is the upper end. So you're going to get a lot of nice options. It's going to be on this car. I'm going to do a quick walk around, show you the outside of it, and then we'll go on the inside. You can notice dark tinted windows on it for privacy and help keep that sun out. We'll walk around here and show you the back. Now this does have an electronic lift on it, so I'm going to show you right down here. Just push a button. I'm going to back up. The gate does go up by itself, and it comes right back down. But before I show you that, this thing has ample room storage in the back. So to show you how to lower this, just hit the button right here. I'll back off, and it automatically shuts, hands-free. It's pretty neat. So walk around here on the passenger side. Beautiful color on this car. Wait till you see the interior. It's all leather inside, beige color. Go in here. Of course, the sun's not hitting perfect to show you the true beauty of the color of this interior, but it is nice. Here on your doors you do have two-tone. Nice rail up on the top. So let's go ahead. Now one thing I do want to show you, it does have heated mirrors, and you do have the turn signals on your mirrors. So go up here, I'll show you the inside. We'll hop in here in just a moment, show you your door panel. Now this does have a 3-position memory for your seats, so primary driver can get it where they want, click number 1. Secondary can click number 2, then you got a third one for a spare, and your window controls. Your controls for your seat. So let's go ahead and hop in. So like I said, this car does have a 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. It's called an Ecoboost. So you do have turbos on this, so it's going to get you more horsepower and torque at a lower size engine, so it's going to get you better gas mileage, and your performance is going to be more comparable with a V6 while saving you money at the gas pump. So look around here. Now this does have a push button start. This is the button right here. All you do, as long as you have your key fob on you or near you, just press on the brake, push the button, and it starts right up. That's all there is to it. Very, very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the camera back, show you the steering wheel. Let me turn the radio down. But it's actually a very comfortable wheel. You do have controls here for your lighting. And then on this side you do have multiple controls over here. Bluetooth capability for your cell phone here. I do want to zoom in here and show you the instrument cluster. So it will actually scroll through different things right here on your dash, and I'm doing that by hitting the button right here on the steering wheel. So we'll go over to this area, your LCD command center. So you do have a home button right here, and then if you want to hit your climate, there's other ways of doing that, but I'm just showing you what that is. So scroll down here. I'm going to show you your actual controls for your heating and your cooling and your gear shift. Now this does have heated seats, so you've got a control here for the left for your driver's side and passenger side, and a 12-volt connection here. So 2 cup holders, emergency brake, You do have a storage compartment here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's 2 USB ports and a couple other RCA ports also. I'm going to turn around here. This interior is so comfortable with this leather. You can see the armrest does fold down. So that's a quick overview of the Ford Escape, the 2015. So I suggest if you got any questions, give us a phone call, area code 740-992-4443, and you can actually get in this with no money down and less than perfect credit. So hope you have a great day. Bye for now.